Hello guys, thank you for checking out this easy and absolutely delicious breakfast recipe with cheesy eggs. I got these buns from Walmart. They are called bolilos. Go ahead and cut them into halves. You could also use any other type of buns and then spread softened butter onto each piece. I'm working with 4 pieces here. You could double the recipe. When you're done spreading your butter, you want to toast your bread just until it's nicely browned and crispy for about 3 to 4 minutes, but with medium heat so it doesn't burn. When your bread is ready, like so, go ahead and take it out of the pan, set it somewhere to cool a little bit. Do the same with the other 2 pieces, and when it's all ready, set that aside. And now you want to crack 4 eggs onto a bowl. Season them with salt and black pepper. And then for added moisture, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Now beat your eggs until they're nicely combined and you're ready to cook them. But before that, I'm also going to grate some cheese. I'm using a piece of Colby Jack and a piece of cheddar cheese. With the cheese, you can decide how much to add. Go ahead and grate your cheese, preferably on the smaller side, and set those aside. And now to cook the eggs, I'm using butter, but you could use regular vegetable oil. Add your eggs before the butter browns. You don't want it to brown. And then start stirring immediately. Some people will use a whisk here. So just cook the eggs until they are beginning to hold together, but they're not too dry. Like let them still be wet with moisture there, and then sprinkle your cheese all over and mix again. At this point, turn off the heat and just let the cheese melt with the warmth of the eggs so that things don't burn. And your eggs are ready. They look so moist and delicious. Now go ahead and top your buns with eggs. Just divide it up amongst all the 4 pieces like so, and then garnish with some black pepper and a little bit of parsley or cilantro, and your dish is ready. It's time to dig in. This is so delicious, guys. Enjoy, and I really hope to see you in another video. Bye.